Let's chat about Art Bundles for Good. I mean, what is Art Bundles for Good anyway? And is it something that you would be actually interested in? Today, let's walk through the website on Art Bundles just a little, and I'll share my thoughts with you, and you can decide for yourself. Hello, I'm Jessica Sanders of ColorMeCreativeArt.com. Welcome to my channel. So Art Bundles for Good is just what it says, a bundle of amazing art courses and resources. So let's click over to the website and we'll chat about it a little bit. When you click the link to learn more about Art Bundles for Good, it's going to take you to this webpage. And there's an intro video by John Bartos who tells you a little bit more about how it works. And so we'll just scroll down and see what's here. Invest in yourself and your art. We all know that making art is so good for our health and our well-being and self-care. It's so important. So there are 100 art resources: drawing, art journaling, watercolor, acrylics, classes on creativity, digital classes, art marketing. $4,000 worth of art courses and resources for only $97. Some of these courses actually one course costs more than the actual cost of the whole package. So what other people are saying who've bought the bundle for good before? Julie C. says, my thoughts on your art bundle are, it's phenomenal. You hear my grandson there? He's so cute. She says, it's phenomenal. I'm very skeptical and usually ignore those types of offers, but it's given me the opportunity to connect with new artists that I would not have otherwise found. Truly a remarkable opportunity. So you can pay with PayPal. It's in support of Courageous Kitchen. Now, 25% of the proceeds go to Courageous Kitchen. That's huge. I've never seen anyone give 25% at least. I mean, maybe someone else does, but I haven't seen that before. So it's a really great opportunity. They help children in Thailand. But you can click here and you can learn more about them. I'm not going to do that right now. So here are a list of the courses, and they have the photos, and you can see exactly what you're getting before you decide whether it's for you or not. So we have the amazing Effie Wild. This is a 12-week course right here. You see it's valued at $80. So if you bought it on her website just for this one course, it would be $80. Just for this one course would be $105. $100 for Patricia Caldera's Color Theory for Artists. She teaches on Skillshare. She's also amazing. Now, if you're a Skillshare member, you may wonder if this is a good value for you because you already have access to some of these teachers, but many of these teachers are not on Skillshare. Effie Wild is not. Pencil King is not. Tamara Laporte of Lifebook fame, she is not on Skillshare, and she actually has 3 courses in this bundle. Rock Your Online Art or Craft Shop. Very good from Jenny Bell. Let's scroll on down. Mickey Wild. Beautiful, fun fauna and forest creatures. Here, Tracy Verdugo. I almost missed her. Animal Antics. We all love Tracy. She's an amazing artist. Sydney Height. This is a digital class, which is very cool that you can get a combination of digital and, quote, analog. Dina Wakely, another one of my favorites. So for me, there's more than enough. Like if I just had 3 of these classes or 4, that would be enough for me to think this was worth purchasing it for $97. But you make your own decision on that. You may not even be interested in these. These are just ones that I love that I'm pointing out to you. So no pressure at all. Andrea Gomo, amazing, so much fun. Colin Bradley, there's one of my classes. If you have me on Skillshare, then you've already have this class, so you may not want to buy this if you're just interested in me as a teacher, because my classes offered here are also offered on Skillshare. Let's see what else we have here. Intuitive Mandala Meditations. The Tangled Sanctuary. This is a 2-part course for Zentangle, and it's in color, as you see. How to draw eyes. Watercolor textures. That's fun. Bonnie Glendinning. I cannot pronounce her name for some reason. Creative Inspiration Bundle for Artists. Character design. That sounds fun. Portraits. Flora Bowley. Such an inspirational artist. She's about your whole heart. You know, I just love her. Another class by Tamara Laporte. An art journaling class by Jenny Bell. Mary Beth Shaw. I mean, so many people on here that I love. Dina Wakely. That's 2 classes by Dina. Totally makes it worth it to me already. Jenny Grant. That looks beautiful. I love that. So some of these are project-based classes, and some of these are more instructional, as in teaching some basics or teaching about a certain topic like creativity. Here's Annie Hammond. Yes. More Zentangle, or drawing in symmetry similar to Zentangle. Encaustic. Didn't know that was in here. Doodles. From acrylics to oil. Very good. Another Effie Wild class. This is a celebration of music and journal art. It's an 8-week class. My goodness, Effie really went all out in what she gave. Lauren Rudolph. Look at those amazing portraits. This is a class about painting eyes. French cursive calligraphy. Colored pencil. More digital. More portraiture. How to draw like a master. Here's Adobe Illustrator class. Here's the other class that I gave. Melissa Lee teaches on Skillshare. Skin tones, that's a great one. I need to take this class. Brush lettering, that is all the rage right now. It's so beautiful and fun. Value scale. We all can practice that, I think. Introduction to drawing. Here's an InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop. Modern calligraphy. Look at these beautiful watercolor flowers. Another Effie Wild class. That's number 3. 6 full-length lessons with PDF walkthroughs. Nice. French cursive calligraphy. Brush lettering. An artist survival guide. What does it take to be creative? Soul for Portraits 2. Gesture drawing by Proco. Proco is a YouTube guy. Oh yeah. Designing clothing. Realistic eyes. Another Tamara Laporte life bookish class. Turn a little into a lot. Oh, this is creating with limited supplies. Like that. Design your own fonts. Oh, we're getting to the end here. There's another Jenny Bell class. Summer Loving Art Journaling. Michelle Tabarez. Beginner's Guide to Travel Journaling. Very good. Using your iPhone or iPad to create abstract. And shading with charcoal and graphite. So this bundle is full of amazing, really amazing resources. Lots of classes. You know, I could also suggest that you may want to get this for your art-loving friends. It would be a great Christmas present that will last, you know, the whole year. Because once they sign up, or even longer, once they sign up and register for their classes, you pretty much have mostly lifetime access. So it's really awesome. So you can pay with PayPal. I think I already talked. Here are a few questions. How long? do you have to get them? So I wanted to talk about this a little bit. So basically you have 6 months on the Art Bundles website to access the classes from there. And then from there you go and register on the artist website, if needed, to access those classes. Or in the case of my class, you would just bookmark the page. That you can't find the page without already knowing where it is. So you would just bookmark the page so you can come back to it. And of course, you can contact me anytime about that if you needed to. You can just do that on my website, colormecreativeart.com. But for most of the courses, you would click on the link on Art Bundles. You would go and register on that site, and then you would have access from their site to the whole class. So it's basically for most of the classes, lifetime access. But at minimum, it's 6 months to just sign up for the ones that are in the Art Bundle. I hope that makes sense. If you have questions, please leave them below. Contact me. Contact John at Dare Big Do Good, and he can help you. He's the organizer. There is also a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy, you changed your mind, you're like, never mind, I thought I would like this, but I don't, then you can email John and he will give you a refund. You have 30 days to do that, but he suggests that you take 2 weeks and at least look at some of the classes and see what you think about them before you email him. In any case, you have 30-day money-back guarantee. If you decide you don't like it, you're not stuck with it. Again, I think this would make, I would love it if someone gave me this for a gift. That would be awesome. So you're supporting a lot of artists here by purchasing. You're supporting the artists. You're supporting John Bardos, who put this amazing bundle together. And you're supporting Courageous Kitchen through charity. I mean, it really is a win-win if you think about all that. Again, it's worth more than $4,000. Some of these classes, I'll just show you again real quick. This class, if you just got this one class, it costs more. Also, this one costs more than the entire bundle. So just something to think about and consider when you're wondering if you're really interested in this or not. And I just thought I would share a little bit more with you. So thanks so much for watching. I'll leave links below for you to purchase the Art Bundle for Good if you're interested. Or you can just go and check it out on their website and listen to John's video if you'd like. And thanks so much. By the time this video airs, see this says 3 days left? By the time this video airs, there's going to be less than 3 days. So I suggest if you're really interested that you go now and don't wait, because it's going to disappear faster than you think. All right, thanks so much. I'll see you very soon. Please leave your questions below and I'll be happy to answer them. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.